Welcome to session 4 of Integration of Science. I hope these slides find you doing well. Let's get started. So first and foremost, our aim tonight is to hopefully get you feeling grounded and centered and relaxed and breathing well about heading towards success in our course. By the way, you're going to hear some dogs barking in the background as I now have a makeshift classroom office set up. So hopefully we can make it through all the videos without too much interruption. So this evening, I am doing this course update and introduction video. You will also see videos related to our first workshop, which is sharing of children's literature, a book called Rosie Revere, the Engineer. You will then work through a couple of lectures related to service learning. This is very important for our graduate students as they are going to be submitting a plan for a service learning project, and it's just good information for all of us at this time. You will then have a follow-up workshop for video 5, which is related to the service learning. I will end with some next steps. And finally, for graduate students only, I have created a video tutorial to help guide you through, and I've made a couple of adjustments to your service learning project. So first of all, let's make sure we're all on the same page, as I have been flooding you, hopefully not overwhelming you, with lots of information related to how we might work together to ensure our learning, but also stay on the same page when it comes to the expectations/adjusted expectations for the course. So here are some major adjustments to our course assignments. Unfortunately, remember, we did have to cancel that slumber party. My school closure has now extended to the end of April. Magic House, I do not believe this will happen. However, I'm holding hope that things may get back to normal and this might happen. In the event it doesn't, you will be refunded if you have paid your $10. I will make plans to make sure I get that to you. Field experience, you have those virtual requirements. We're going to see how it works with the 3 competencies, and I'm still kind of exploring that. But watch those videos. You will have workshops embedded inside of each of the videos. They will be adjustable points depending on the demand. Quizzes are still due. I have sent a list of the quizzes as well as an update to each and every one of you, letting you know what I see as far as your quizzes are due. Please make sure you are communicating with me via email. It's a priority to make sure how things are going with you and just letting me know if I can support you in any way. I am now required to make sure I do attendance on a weekly basis in order to keep up with your progress in the course. I have to do this via your login through Canvas. That means I need each week for you to simply access course material sometime between the start of the session at 6 p.m. and the following week, that Tuesday at 5:59. So for example, refer to the announcement. I give you every week's breakdown, but for this week, today is March 24th. At some point between 6 o'clock, March 24th, and 5:59 on March 31st, you need to get into Canvas and access information. You don't need to report to me. I can look at the Canvas analytics and be able to tell when you have been online. So no need to do anything. You just have to log in or you will be counted absent, and that could have some impact on your financial aid. Workshops are due by 6 o'clock the following session. So for example, tonight's workshop has been posted digitally on our module for session 4. It is due by 6 o'clock, March 31st. So for tonight, as we prepare for this evening's course, you will need access to the new, today's date, March 24th, digital journal. It's inside module 4. You need to be able to watch/listen to video as you are now. And